Okay, there are some type of people who try to cut off from toxic peoples in their life, or from those people who don't treat them with respect. They just treat them like shit, they just treat them like garbage, and they just don't respect them, they just don't treat them nicely. And these people know that they are toxic, these people know that they are not good for them, these people know that cutting them off is the best option, these people know that being with them is a great disadvantage for their own individuality and their own personality. And these type of people even try to cut off from these people, but at the end what happens is that maybe they are low self standard, low self respect for themselves, or maybe their kind nature pulls them away from cutting off such people from their lives. This is these people's problem, this is their problem. It's not that they don't know, they know very well that these people are toxic, they know that such people are very toxic for them, for their own individuality, for their own standards, and for their own personality. But it's just that they are not able to cut them off, it's just that they can't just be rude to them. That's their problem. The solution that I have right now for you is that, see, first thing you need to do is that, okay, you are not able to cut them off, you are not able to be rude to them. Do one thing, let them hurt you. Let them treat you badly, let them hurt you, let them do whatever they want to do with you. Let them do every possible thing that's hurting you, let them do everything that's making you feel that they are disrespecting you, they are not treating you nicely. Let them do everything. Why? Because now you are not realizing this thing at that level, that how much they are harmful for you. See, if you are not realizing this thing, then this is the best thing for you. See, the main problem is that you know that they are toxic for you, you know that they are bad for you, but you are not understanding this thing, that how much they are bad for you. You think that it's just this much, but it's not. It will even cost your own life, not by taking your life, but by making you in a prison in your own life, by keeping you in a prison in your own life. And you're not realizing this right now. So do one thing, just do one thing, that let them hurt you. Let them hurt you at the max to max level, how much they can. Let them do every shitty thing to you, unless and until you realize this thing, that okay, now I can't tolerate, I have to let them go. Because now there is no hate for them in your heart, there is no respect for your own standard and your own individuality for yourself right now. Let them hurt you, let them treat you like shit, let them do every possible bad thing to you. Unless and until you realize this thing, that now you can't tolerate this much disrespect now, and unless and until you start disliking them, unless and until you are having this thought in yourself that okay, now I have to let them go, and you start disliking them, so that when they go, you don't have this guilt inside yourself. This is your solution for those type of people who try to be rude but they can't, who try to let them go but they cannot. And you know what, first of all, though, you don't need this solution only. Why? Because you should have such self-respect for yourself, such high self-worth and such high self-value for yourself, that even if someone is doing a slight disrespect to you, you just be so ready to let them go. You should be this ready to just kick them out of your life. You should have that much high self-image of yourself in your brain, in your mind. And here, if you're not able to cut them off, maybe because of your love for them, maybe because of your attachment for them, I understand. But if they're normal people and you can't even be rude to them, you can't even let them go, kick them out of your life, then it's literally that you don't have any self-worth and self-value, self-respect of yourself in your mind. If you can't do this to normal average people in your daily life, and if it's for someone whom you love or for someone whom you're very much attached, that is just one or two people of your life, then I understand this thing. It will take time. That's why I gave the solution. But for those people who are normally there in your life, like your friends or normally normal people of your life, if you can't even cut them off, if you can't even kick them off, then it's clearly a sign that you don't have a high self-image of yourself, high self-worth of yourself, and you need to work on it. You should have such respect for yourself that even if someone is doing a slight disrespect to you, you are ready to kick them out of your life. It should be like that. Such an image you should have for yourself, such respect you should have for yourself. And for those people with whom you are attached or with whom you are in love, I understand this thing, but try to understand this one thing, that if they are really in love with you, if they really love you, then how and why are they having that audacity to treat you like that if they really love you, or if they are really attached to you? For someone who really loves you, for them your disrespect is like their own disrespect. So you can really understand that how much they love you, how much they like you, or how much they are attached to you if they are feeling comfortable in disrespecting you and treating you like shit. And from here only you should understand this thing, that you have to be with them or you have to cut them off. Okay, it's not that easy, I understand that it's not easy, and you have to like literally take a lot of time to detach yourself from them. It will take time, I understand, but taking time is much better than wasting your whole life for those people. I prefer you take your own time, 1 year, 2 year, take how much time you want, but just detach yourself with them. Just detach yourself from them. Because if someone really loves you, they won't treat you like shit, they won't treat you like trash. For normal people, I said that you don't have your own standards if you are not able to cut them off also. To those people whom you love, whom you are attached with, it will take time. I understand this thing. Okay, I am understanding your point of view. But don't waste your whole life because of such people. At last, I just want to say that have some high standards, have some self-respect for yourself, and just cut those people off from your life. Just cut toxic people from your life. Because they will just blame you for how you reacted, not for the actions which made you react in that way, which were their actions. So as soon as it's possible, first of all, if they are normal people, then you should not even think twice before cutting them off, before kicking them out of your life. So for normal people, just kick them out. Don't think, don't give a second thought. Have some high standards, and if you are not even able to do that, that means you don't have high self-worth and self-value, which is not a thing to be proud of. So yeah, raise your standards, work on your standards, work on your self-respect, understand that what you actually deserve, what you don't deserve, and just kick them out. And for those people with whom you are very much attached, or with whom you are in love with, and if they are only treating you like this, first sit and understand this thing, that how and why are they treating you like this if they actually love you the way you love them. And then after understanding, I'm sure that you will make a decision of letting them go. And if you're still not able to do that, if you still don't have such high self-respect for yourself, whether they are normal people or whether they are your important people, do one thing: let them hurt you. Let them hurt you as much as they can, unless and until you yourself start disliking them and understand this thing, that they are not for you. Unless and until you don't have that guilt in yourself. I don't literally prefer this solution because I have such self-respect and such self-worth of myself that even if someone does a slight disrespect to me, I am ready to literally forget them. Forget their whole existence. Doesn't matter how much they are important to me. If they are very important to me, then of course it will take time. But if they are just normal people, I will just let them go. But if you are not that type of person, you need to become this person, because the solution which I said, that let them hurt you, will not always work and will not work forever. It will even cost your life if you will let everyone hurt you unless and until you start disliking them. That's not gonna work each and every time. So first, become this type of person who has a high self-worth, high self-respect for themselves, that they are just ready to kick those people out of their life who are disrespectful or who just treat them like shit. Unless and until you don't become this type of person, use this solution in your life, that let them hurt you, let them treat you like shit, unless and until you start disliking them and have the guilt in you, and don't have the guilt of letting them go. That's it.